Hello everyone, it's again. Today, I'm going to be doing another brand new reaction video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to Dan the My Little Pony and Sophie the First Fan. A video of it that he uploaded 5 months ago. He requested me to react to this, I've been busy and I wasn't able to react to it during that time. But now I'm going to be reacting to it. In the video of it, I'm going to react to it's called Taste Test number 207 Oreos Sour Patch Kids. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. So now, Freddie, let's get the video right now.
This is Dan, the My Little Pony and Sophia the First Fan. We're going to be doing another taste test review. And our taste test review is limited edition Oreos Sour Patch Kids. Now, the nutrition facts are just about 10 servings per container. Serving size, 2 cookies, 29G. And the calories goes up to 140 calories. So anyways, we're going to taste them and see how it tastes. And before we do that, I want to show you what the cream looks like in the thumbnail. This is what the cream looks like. Anyways, let's taste it and see how it tastes. Now, I gotta admit, these new Oreos taste similar to actual Sour Patch Kids, if you ask me. Let's give it a few more bites. Tastes really good. Let's give it one more bite. Tastes really good. I need to give this like a 25 out of 10. So anyways, thanks for watching this taste test review. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit notifications. See you later.
So yeah, that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys like this reaction film. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notifications on. Wrap up my blog and share my videos and reaction videos and other videos on my channel to your friends and videos if you want to join. Because I am making it. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to the end of My Little Pony and Sophie the First Fan. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. But subscribe. If you haven't yet. And on the main channel here, we're road to 3K subscribers. And on the backup channel, Jupiter and 2.0, and the gaming channel, Strutting Gaming, both of them on the road to 100 subscribers. So yeah, and that's the end of this reaction video. And I'll see you all for a banger reactions, more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Jupiter and signing out, and peace out, legends, and peace out, everyone.